Good afternoon. This is Adam Tuyana with RJO Futures in Chicago, coming to you the afternoon of Thursday, December 5th, 2013. Going to give you a very quick soft commodities rundown, starting off with the sugar, which last traded at 16.75. That's in the March contract. Put sugar down, actually up 7 ticks on the day. We've seen 12 straight sessions that have been down for sugar. Basically out there's a huge surplus of sugar. It's violated some July critical lows that have been out there. I'm looking for a continued rundown to the July lows, somewhere in the 1550, 1600 area. Upside resistance is going to be 1680. Downside support is going to come in at 1600. Moving over to the cotton, which last traded at 79.16. That's also in the March contract. Puts cotton up 11 ticks on the day. This is a market that's been very choppy, moving sideways for about a month now. It does seem to be holding some support at the 78 area. It could be very oversold at this point. I'm looking for a continued sideways market for a little bit longer before it can maybe turn a reversal and move more to the upside. Upside resistance is going to be 80.50 and the downside support's coming in at 77.64. Moving over to coffee, which last traded at 106.15 in the March contract also. A very big day down 230 ticks on the day for coffee. Fundamentals out there, major global surplus, huge supplies coming out of Brazil and Vietnam, the major producers of coffee. That coupled with a very weak demand have me leaning more to the continued downtrend, the bearish side, because there's been a downtrend that's been in place for quite some time now. Technically, this market was selling off last month, but now had been trading sideways last month for most of the month, and now it's starting to break to the downside. So we're going to see continuation, in my opinion, for more down. Upside resistance 112.90, while on the downside support comes in at 104.15. Last but not least is the cocoa market. Last traded 27.51 in the March contract. Consolidating, very choppy market for a couple of weeks now. Yesterday we had a massive range in trading for cocoa. Long term, this has been an uptrend for cocoa. Outside forces are pretty positive for cocoa to help support it. Global supply demand issues are looking to the bullish side. I'm looking for a climb somewhere up to the 2900 area. Upside resistance 28.16. Downside support is going to come in at 27.28. Please keep in mind that futures trading and options on futures trading does present some risk. It is not suitable for all investors. That being said, have a wonderful afternoon. Thank you.